How to fix TikTok something went wrong, please try again. So go ahead and open your TikTok application. If you see this something went wrong, please try again on your TikTok feed, there is only two things that you should consider that can affect this. First is your internet connection, and second is the version of your application. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. If you can, switch connections, but if you can't, simply disconnect from your current connection and then connect again. This will just refresh the connection if there's a glitch. Now, if your TikTok still says something went wrong, please try again. You have to check if there's an available update for your TikTok. So go to the App Store, search for TikTok. Make sure that this blue button says open. If it says update, then go ahead and update the application first. This will prevent us from having an outdated version of the app, preventing any bugs or errors that we might encounter. Now, if there's no update available, go to Settings, proceed to General, click on iPhone Storage, and in here, offload the app and then reinstall it after offloading. After all of these steps, your TikTok should now work. So that is how to fix TikTok something went wrong. Please try again. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.